Hi everyone, this is Rian from Malmood Chilies. I just want to show you, this time I am barbecue a gammon here on the spit, and look how nice it is with that sauce on it. Look at that color of this. Yeah, it's so nice. um, and it's turning well, but look at that color. And now it's going into the meat, and it's making the meat super soft. So you will not regret buying this sauce. um, I think this is the best one. This is my nicest one. It's not that strong, but it's nice. And it's working, as I say, on the basting, everything like this. So there we go. Please share and like this video if you like it, and so that I can make more videos, and yeah, I can reach more people. Thank you very much everyone, and thank you for your support. Bye.